We are looking for Tigger's clues. We are looking for Tigger's clues. We are looking for Tigger's clues. I wonder where they are. A clue, a clue. Yep, we still need to find 2 more clues. No, a clue. Oh, you see a clue. Where? Right there. Oh, it's another clue. And it's on that bowl. Well, you know what we need. Our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. Okay, so we draw a semicircle, then a little oval right here, and a line down here. There, a bowl. So what was our first clue? A spoon. Right, a spoon. And now our second clue is a bowl. So what could make me feel better with a spoon and a bowl? What do you think? Possibly, but I think we need to find our last clue just to be sure. Mail time, mail time, mail time, mail time. Oh, the mail's here. Let's go. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna whack my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Ooh, Candace, are you okay? Chew. Mail. Hi, Candace. Do you know what you need to feel better? Oh, please, tell me, Thomas. You need your last clue. Good one, Thomas. You know, I could use a package. A package? I just happen to have your package right here. Thanks, Thomas. You're welcome. We just got a package. 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 I wonder what's inside. Hey, it's a thermometer. I'm gonna put this in my mouth. Oh my God. I feel even worse. Whew. We better find that last clue so we can figure out what I need to feel better. Hey, what's that sound? Ooh. Oh, look, chicks. Hello there, chicks. What's up? Hi, Candace. We need some help. Can you come help us? Well, sure. We can help you. Will you help these chicks? You will? Oh, good. La 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 la. Wow, did you see that? You know, Tigger's right. The best way to help the chicks is to just skidoo into the farm. Tigger skidoo, we achoo. Mm. Wow, look at this. We're on the farm. Ooh. Well, come on. Let's go help these chicks.